Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel. And this quarantine is like 4.0 continue aita untu. And yeah, today's Saturday. So let's just begin the day with a workout. It's already what is the time? It's already 5 o'clock. After a long time, I just look so messy. After a very long time, I'm vlogging, I guess. So shuru, let's just start. Let's just work out for a while. I had some work, so I didn't start morning. I was completely sleeping because right, quarantine has made us to sleep a lot, and the same thing is happening with me, and I'm just sleeping. I just do a schedule thing that I have to do this thing tomorrow morning and I have to do that thing, and I should not sleep, but I just end up sleeping the whole day, and later on I just find the content, what to do, what not to do. And today mommy is like, she's gonna be making gobi manchuri, and it's a very long time that, yeah, obviously outside you don't have street foods and you have to prepare everything at home. But now, yeah, yesterday only we had some puffs, egg puffs. Yeah, we call it as puffs or puffs. So we just had that, and today she's gonna be making gobi manchuri. Who loves gobi manchuri? Just as you saw in the last video that some construction work was going on in my road, in our area road, whatever. So it's continuing, and that's what they have been doing from past 3-4 days, past from last week, and still it's not completed. They are just making a concrete road. And I'll just tell you what they'll be doing. Here, no, they will be like over that side. There'll be a drainage, it seems, and but here it's a complete road. Only one side will have a drainage. That's it. The Mosala, I just thought that they are not doing it properly, and that side no drainage also, because they are not allowing them to just break that stuff what they have done, put it over there. They have even occupied the road, but they have to cooperate. Yeah, Indians, right, they don't cooperate. That's what they do it. And yeah, so I think so by this week they'll complete the stuffs, maybe, hope so. So yeah, let's just go work out for a while, and then let's see what to do next. So after the workout, जो relax feel आई था, that is awesome. That feel is actually तुम्हारा refreshing आगे feel आई था. And yeah, this quarantine made me to work out a lot. Since if you watch my vlogs, I have done a lot of workout in it, and still now I'm just doing the same, but I'm just adding a few extra workouts in between. Morning I go for the walk, for the jogging, and then I just want to be fit. This quarantine, I should bring a lot of changes in me. I don't want to be lazy bum. This is the only reason that I just come home and just sleep off. I'll be so much damn tired. I'm just having my little hearts. I was just left with one packet of little hearts. I'm just eating it. ಇವ್ನಿಗೆ ಮಸಾಜ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಆಯ್ತಾಯ್ತು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ? ಶುರು ಆಯ್ತು. ಏಯ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಗುಡ್ ಬಾಯ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ನೀನು? ಇಬ್ಬರು ಗುಡ್ ಬಾಯ್ಗಳು. So get up. क्या पे चला मैं? ಸೊ ಕ್ಯಾಬೇಜ್ ಬಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಈಗ ಎಣ್ಣೆ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಈರುಳ್ಳಿ ರೆಡಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಫುಲ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಸಾಸ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಸೊ ಆಯಿತು. ಸೊ guess which song is this? Dancing in the dark, you between my arms. My favorite song. Favorite. I just love this song. Listening to my favorite song. And it was I open underneath my breath. You purring, darling, you look perfect tonight. Already ಆಗಿದೆ. She just need to do that Manchurian paste thing. That's it. ಎಲ್ಲ ಫ್ರೈ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಉಂಟು. Yeah, let's just go see.
ಈ ಗೋಬಿ ಇರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಫುಲ್ ಗೋಬಿ ಒಂದು ಗೋಬಿ ಅಂತ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಉಂಟು. ನೋಡು ಆ ಕಾಲಿಫ್ಲವರ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.
It's almost I don't know. I'm just eating it. Yeah. It's nice. I'll put more kara. Kara family now. So we just eat a lot of kara. So it can again matter akila. And we are not doing with the cauliflower. Just doing in the cabbage. So yeah, it's good. ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾವಿನಕಾಯಿ ತಿಂತೀರಾ ನೀವು ಇಬ್ಬರು ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು? ಡ್ಯಾಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ತಿಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಇದು 4ನೇನೋ 5ನೇದು ಮಾವಿನಕಾಯಿ ಡ್ಯಾಡಿ ತಿಂತಿರೋದು. ತಿನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮದು ಇದು ಎಂತ ಕ್ಯಾಬೇಜ್ ಮಂಚೂರಿಯನ್ ತಿನ್ನೋಕ್ಕೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇವತ್ತು ಅಲ್ಲ. ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಜ್ಯೂಸ್ಗೂ ನನಗೂ ಟೈಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಜ್ಯೂಸ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರಿಗಲ್ಲ ಈ ಜ್ಯೂಸು. ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಹೋಗಿ ನೀವು ಕೊಡಿ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್. ಇದೇ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ವಾದ ಆಗೋದು ಇದೇ ವಿಷಯಕ್ಕೆ. ಯಾರು ಬರುವಾಗ ಹಿಂಗೇನೆ ನಮ್ಮನೆ ಕೂಸ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ ಕೊಡೋಕ್ಕೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮೆಣಸಿಗೆ ಪೌಡರ್ ಹಾಕದ. ಸೊ ಈ ಜ್ಯೂಸ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರಿಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲ. 7 ಅಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ಪ್ರೈಟ್ ತಿಂದಿದ್ದು ನಾವು. ಸ್ಪ್ರೈಟ್ ಇದು ವಾಟ್ ಡೇ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಜ್ಯೂಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. ಜ್ಯೂಸ್ ಕುಡಿತ್ಯಾ? ಮೇಲೆ ಟ್ಯಾಪ್ ಮಾಡು.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೀರು ಹಾಕ್ತಾನಲ್ಲ.
ಏಯ್
ಅದೇನೆ
ಹಾಕ್. ಏನು ಮಾಮ್ಸ್ ಇದು ಚಿಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಡ. ಅದು ಟೊಮಾಟೊ ಸಾಸ್ ನೀರು ಹಾಕದ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹಾಕಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಹಾಕು ಮಮ್ಮಿ. ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ ಯಾರೋ ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂದುಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 2 ಜನ ಬಂದುಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ಬ್ಯಾಕ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅವರು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡ್ಯಾಡಿ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಉಂಟು ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಯೂಶ್ವಲ್. So cabbage manchurian is ready to eat. ಈಗ ನಾವು ತಿರೋದಿವಿ. ಕಾಯ ಮಮ್ಮಿ. ಹೌದಾ? ಇಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತಾ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು?
ನಾನು ಕ್ಯಾಬೇಜ್ ಬಂದಾಗ
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೀರು ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು.
ಗ್ರೇವಿ
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಗ್ರೇವಿ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇದೆ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಉಪ್ಪು ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ಯಾ? ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. Now they have not gone. I'm in the kitchen. Usually don't go out when people are there. The guests have come, right? We don't go out, and I'm just sitting in the kitchen. Kitchen बैठी हूँ. Till now, they are just eating. Juice कुड़ीते इधर है. Sprite, juice and ಯಾ ಬಸ್ ಅದೇ ನಾನು ಡ್ಯಾಡಿ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ಗೆ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಂದು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿ ಲೋ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ, ಈಗ ಏನೋ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಯಾ, ಸೊ ಈಗ ಡಿನ್ನರ್ಗೆ ಮಮ್ಮಿ ರೊಟ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅಕ್ಕಿ ರೊಟ್ಟಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಾಳು ಸಾರು. ಸೊ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಊಟ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಐ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಕೇಮ್ ಅಪ್ ಟು ದ ರೂಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯಾ ವೈಪಿಂಗ್ ಮೈ ಫೇಸ್. I usually close the door and I sleep. So yeah, just vibed. And then my nighttime routine. I have to do my nighttime routine. The thing is, I apply moisturizing to my face and some. कहाँ गया मेरा Boroplas to my lips. Yeah, so this is how my nighttime routine is. I hope you're enjoying the vlog. If you're enjoying the vlog, click on that like button and subscribe me. Hit that bell button. Don't forget to hit that bell button after subscribing. Red button alli yakiradu. Subscribe madake. Please do subscribe me yaar. If you're watching the video, please subscribe me. Watch the video, complete video. Give a like. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಥಿಂಗ್, ಅದು ಹೊರಗಡೆ ರೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಈಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಡ್ರೈನೇಜ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ರೋಡೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಂತೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ದೇ ಡೂ. ದೇ ಸೇ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೇ ಡೂ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಫ್ ದೇ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ದೇ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಇಟ್. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ದು ಫಿತ್ರತೆ ಅದು. ಸೊ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಐ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಮೈ ವ್ಲಾಗ್ ಓವರ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಸಿ ಯು ಇನ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವ್ಲಾಗ್. ಟಿಲ್ ದೆನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಕೇರ್. ಬಾಯ್ ಬಾಯ್.